Brokers give us the platform to trade the forex market, and there are a whole lot of brokers out there. So a lot of them are scam brokers, and in this video we are going to cover what you need to look out for before choosing a broker to trade with. First, you need to make sure you trade with regulated brokers with country offices within your region. For example, if you are staying in Nigeria, you need to make sure that that broker has a country office or a representative in Nigeria that is residing in Nigeria. And also make sure you do your background check on their regulations. Some of them claim they are regulated, but they are not actually regulated. Make sure you trade with ECN brokers, because ECN brokers offers you tight spread. When a spread is tight, that means your transaction cost is going to be low. Make sure you choose a broker with good customer support, probably with a live chat for technical support. You should be able to reach out to your broker at any time when you have a challenge. Then choose a broker with swift deposit and withdrawal process. If the deposit and withdrawal process is cumbersome, then that is not a good broker. So that is that for choosing a broker. We see on the next video.